I was sent this set of 2 keys for your standard Bobcat door from FridayParts. It's got a fix it once, fix it right logo with them. Very cool. All the parts I've had shipped from them to me have been spot on. Great equipment. It's as good as OEM. These are a standard set of Bobcat keys. I don't know if you realize it, but they all have the same key to the door. So they're not unique, and that makes it easy on a construction site for anybody with a key to get into the equipment if they need to operate that. So this will open that door on the front, and if you need a spare key, this is a great place to get it, and they'll ship them right to you, pack of 2. Let's give them a try on my door and see how they work. So here I am at the Bobcat. This is an S570, but like I was saying, these keys will work with pretty much any Bobcat. And so this is just for the lock here. It's not to start the machine, but for you to lock your front door and keep the honest people out. I mean, somebody that wants to get in can get one of these keys because everybody in your construction site will probably have one. So you're just going to put that in there, rotate it 180 degrees, take it out, and now we're locked. And you'll keep people from getting in there. And then if you get one of the keys here, we'll just put it in here the other way. Rotate it 180, and there we go. So yeah, this is a good ad. You can get these pretty inexpensively, have some extras on hand, never get locked out of your machine. I hope that helps learn a little bit more about these replacement Bobcat keys from FridayParts. Hope this information has been useful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.